Hello, my name is Matthias from EasyDevKits, and today I'd like to show you how easy it is to debug an ESP32 application with Visual Studio Code. All you need is an EasyDevKits ESP32 dev kit, an USB cable and your Visual Studio Code. If you're working on Windows, you need to install the right USB driver with the JTAG tool. First, connect the EasyDevKit via USB cable to your PC or laptop and see that the green LED is on. Let's start. In your Visual Studio Code, go to Extensions. Then search for the ESP-IDF extension and install it. After installation, go to this extension into the Advanced section and open the ESP-IDF Installation Manager from GitHub. In the ESP-IDF Installation Manager, choose Custom Installation. Then choose your target chips or select all, and then choose version 6, at least the version 6 beta 2. Continue with the installation, select the mirrors you need, leave the ESP-IDF features as it is, the tools also, select your installation location and then start the installation. After this installation is done, complete the installation and close the install. Now choose a new project wizard. From the examples, choose the Get Started Hello World example. Create this project and choose a custom IDF board. Into the configuration box, put the right config file. Create your project and open your project. Then let's take a look into the source code. Now you can build your project. After the build is done, you can flash it into the ESP32 via the UART protocol. After flash is done, you can start the OpenOCD server. And now we are ready to debug. Press the debug button. After a few seconds, we are in the main function. And now you can step through the program and see what's in the variables. So you can step by step through the program, examine the variables, change the variables. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one.